Hey everyone, so let's explore how to install Callin app. So just in the App Store, search for Callin, um, like that, without a G in the end. So just Callin. Yeah, this is it. This is the social podcasting app. You can just tap Get. It's 37 megabytes. This app is developed by David Sachs, who is one of the guests on the one of the founders of All In podcast. So this app is kind of all in. Just add C, you will have Callin app. And the idea is super smart that it's basically like a social podcasting. So it's kind of combines Clubhouse like real-time conversations with your friends, but then you can turn these real-time conversations into the podcast episodes. So it's pretty cool idea. So just tap Get and then you will be able to install the app, and then you will see these live conversations, these rooms, different shows. And the idea is that you can just listen to recorded episodes, which you can then just turn into your podcast feed. I'm not sure if you have, for example, your existing podcast, can you then just turn this Callin feed and combine two feeds or something like that, or like how that can work. But yeah, I'm super happy to explore this app to see how it can work. So yeah, just install it like that. It's free to create an account. I don't know if there are any paid options or anything like that, but there you have it. That's the app.